Ko Pirongia te maunga, ko Waipa te awa, ko Tainui te waka, ko Wakatu Tainui te iwi, ko Ngāti Mahanga te hapu, ko te kahoro mairo me papaoratu ngā marae, ko te haupai Davis taku hoa rangasira, ko Estella Hineratia Tawha-Davis ahau. My koro's name is Simon Tafa. He was my inspiration to help people, and that has always been like our family motto has been like, if nothing else, just be of service to people. And I always saw him as a major part of the community, and I suppose my passion for helping rangatahi was hearing about all of the stories of him looking after all the naughty kids in the Fairfield community, and that to me has always been really inspiring, and something that I would like to be known for is to just be a good person in the community. I run a kaupapa called Kapahau Manu, and our kaupapa is an integration of therapeutic approaches and kapahaka. My art form is through the waiata that I create, the haka that I create. I use my experience to create waiata and haka that are the messages that our whānau need in order to heal. I feel like a lot of the times we use our art form to acknowledge the raruraru, and not very often do we use our sacred art form of kapahaka to deliver the solution. I feel like when we are teaching our rangatahi, our whānau, waiata that engage solutions, when we are teaching them, we are also delivering our therapeutic approach, which is kapahaka in itself.